Completed about the colors. And moving to the next one. Borders. The next concept, next property is borders. For every HTML tag, we can draw the border like this. Around the tag. Four sides, sir. If you are interested in the four sides, otherwise any particular side. Only one side is possible like this, or four sides also possible, no problem. So one more CSS property, border, and purpose is, so this property used to draw a line. We can feel like as a box also, to draw a line around the element, around the element. Around is nothing but an all four sides line is concerned. So how to draw this one? Border colon. The first one is thickness of the border. We're going to drawing the line. A line thickness we have to specify first. Next one, style of the line, which type of line you require. And then color of the line. Line thickness, line model, line color. So three information we have to pass here. By chance, if any details is missing, sir, default option activated. So suppose I'm not given any color, sir. Black color, it will comes automatically. Suppose if I'm not given any style, sir, no line comes. If you should specify the style. If you are not specified any style, so it doesn't draws any line. Border colon, three details compulsory. Every detail after one space. So thickness of the line followed by the model of the line followed by the color of the line. Now what happens here, sir? So it draws a line four sides. The border property drawing a line four sides of your element. Left side, right side, top side and bottom side. Four sides. But I need the particular side only, sir. You have one more property, sir. Borders extension. Border left. Border hyphen left. So it is used to draw only left side. Meaning same. Syntax also even same. So thickness followed by style followed by color. Drawing the line as per your given specification, but it draws only the left side of that element or tag. Meaning I'm mentioning here. Left side of element. But what about the remaining three sides, sir? No lines, sir, just open space only. So like that, which side you require the border, the direction we can use clearly here. Border top, border right, border bottom. So four sides, so four properties are available. Suppose right side, meaning right side of the tag. Next is similarly top, border hyphen top. So what is this, sir? Top of tag. And the same way, border bottom. Bottom of tag. So this is main property and these are the sub properties. If you want to get all four sides, so go for this one, sir. If you want to get any particular side, just go for this one. Can I go for the combinations, sir? Left side, right side required, sir. Yes, sir. Why not? Use this one and this one. We'll get the left and right both sides. I want to get the left side and bottom side, sir. Then use this one, use this one. Mixing your choice. Next, another property is border hyphen radius. One more CSS property, border hyphen radius. So what is the use of this property, sir? Use it to draw the curved lines like this. Curved lines like this. Normally borders comes like this, a sharp edge. This basic model default. So this I want to change into this model. A property required. So border radius property use it to draw a curved or rounded edge. Curved or rounded edges. This is a first diagram what I showed, that one. Curved or rounded edges. By default, borders always drawing the sharp edges like this, sir. All the four corners. But I don't want any sharp edge. I need curve like this. A curve required like this, sir. Pink color. So how much curve required, that you have to specify in this property. So syntax is border hyphen radius colon. Specify your measurement, sir. N pixels. How much curve you are expecting? 5 pixels or 10 pixels or 20 pixels. A measurement should be specified. Less measurement to less curve it will comes. Bigger values to more curve it will comes. And whenever the value is increasing here, curve also increasing. So these are the another 6 CSS properties, 6 borders related properties only. Now we'll implement them one by one. So first I'm taking here one small paragraph. For paragraph, I'm going to applying the border. For any visibility tag, we can apply the border. There is no problem for any tag, but the tag should be visible. Then we can apply the border. So first run this one. The original paragraph is displaying. This is our actual paragraph, sir. So for this paragraph, I want to apply the box. Go to the paragraph. Style equals to border hyphen left. First individual directions I'm testing here. Border left, 5 pixels, solid line, and no color specification. By default, black color line is drawing. So where it draws the lines are paragraph left side vertically line drawing. Vertically drawing the line left side of the paragraph. This is line. Now the same thing I need right side, sir. You just use the border hyphen right. Same vertically right side of the paragraph, we will get the line. Right side. Like that. Top of the paragraph, I need the line, sir. Border top. So whole paragraph top, it will comes the line. And lastly, bottom. The same line is comes to bottom of the paragraph. So all four directions testing completed, sir. Which one you are interested, that one you can finalize. So now I'm going to drawing border bottom and border top combinations. 5 pixels once again and solid black color. And between the two lines, paragraph is going to display. Between the two lines, your paragraph is displaying. Next, sir, both sides at the bottom or top, same type of line we use, sir. That is just like that only, sir. There is no rule. So top side we can use the some different line. Bottom side we can use the different line. Different colors, different thicknesses, different styles also you can use. No objections in that one. Suppose top of 15 pixels, bottom 5 pixels. See that one. At all sides, we don't need to follow same type of line. So bottom top or left top or left right, right at the bottom, right top, your choice combinations. Finally my code అయితే this one. Next, I want to draw the line around the tags. Coming to that only. So take the H1. So print some message here. For this H1, I want to apply the style. Same border style with actual H1. I want to get the full size box. Style equals to, once again, border. No directions, sir, just border because I want to 4 sides. So what is the border, sir? 10 pixels required. Model of the border, as usual, solid border. And color of the border, red color. Border color, red color. So you'll get the box like this. As per your thickness, 10 pixels. Straight line, that is called as the solid. And color, red. And edges observe the sharp edges. Sharp edges, if I don't want, sir, and you can go for the next property, border radius. Next, the solid we mentioned, sir, 3 times. Is there any other models, sir? Yes, sir, total 9 types of lines available, total. So one is the solid, second one is the double, dotted, dashed, inside, outside, ridge, groove, none. These are the total 9 types of lines. Which one you are interested, that one you can use. Once again pronouncing, but I'm not typing. One is the solid, double, dotted, dashed, inside, outside, ridge, groove, none. Total 9 models. In 9 models, 9 varieties of lines are comes. Different models of lines, patterns are not. Suppose I use it here dotted set. The dots line is forming like this. Line model changing, and that's all. So line of designing or drawing style is going to changing conformly. One line to another line, one model to another model, 100% difference available. It depends upon your observation. So next one, the same borders I'm going to applying for images also. Compared to text to images, I think a more attractive look is comes. So take one of the images from our image gallery. This is our image. We are going to applying the border for image. Before applying the border, this is your image. No specials. Now style equals to, as usual, border, colon, some 10 pixels, solid line, color is blue. Color is blue. Instead of color name, as per our yesterday's discussions, you can use the hexadecimal code and you can use the RGB also. Your choice. So it like as a frame inside photo. That's all. One more style of border. The observation required, sir. If you see normally, you can't identify the difference. Could be slightly keen observation required. If there is no difference, so 9 models they are not providing the general knowledge. 9 types and they listed into compulsory model to model difference available. Next, radius I'm introducing. Radius. Once again, this paragraph I'm going to taking here. Border radius I'm going to applying for the paragraph. Before applying the radius, one small guideline required, sir. Your tag, they must have the background color. Otherwise, your tag, they must have the border. Without background color, without border, if you apply the radius, no use. Waste concept. So your tag should have the background color or your tag should have the border. Then only apply the radius. It is visible to your eyes. Otherwise, sir, it's not visible. Not only for you, for me also not visible. Inventor of the HTML also not visible. Simple thing. So background color or border compulsory while applying of the radiuses. A strict rule, sir. Otherwise, why you developed the program, you don't know. Why browser running, browser also no idea. Simple thing. So first apply the background color. Background color. Take something color, sir. I'm taking some cyan color. Background. And then apply the border. But first see the background. This is our paragraph background, sir. Edges all are sharp edges available. See that. All 4 corners sharp edges available. But the sharp edges, I want to cut like this. So the small curve required. Example, sir. Man mobile edges available like this. The curve required. How much curve required? You can apply it. So when you apply the curve here, the line cutting is comes like this. All 4 sides are cutting is comes like this. So check it once. Border hyphen radius colon 10 pixels. 10 pixels curve required. You can refresh it and observe the 4 edges. A box curve is applied, sir. Why small curve applied, sir? 10 pixels. What is the 10 pixels exactly, sir? Exactly 10 pixels means the actual box, right? Now 10 pixels ante we'll get like this, sir. A pink color line, red color gap is there, na? This gap is called as 10 pixels. Mathematics. Compass available kada. With a rectangle shape, take the compass, take some measurement on the scale, 10 centimeters. Place the compass and draw it. Which shape is comes? Curve shape only kada. Shape mass formula only. So all 4 sides the same curve is applying. This gap is called as 10 pixels. If I take the more pixels, sir, curve is comes like this. If I take the more pixels, sir, curve is comes like this. Whenever the amount is increasing, curve depth is also increasing. See, just an idea. I'm taking some 30 pixels. More curves comes to that. Almost a semicircle, half circle is formed. Identified or not? No, whether. Very good. Sleep mode, full sleep mode. Tomorrow onwards, I'll give the pillows also. Hmm? This side especially. Next one. The same radius I'm going to applying for images. Compared to paragraphs, images, headings, images more attractive also, sir. So try this one. Once again, one image. Style followed by border hyphen radius. For images, we can use the border radius directly. Reasons are, every image, they have their own background color. Every image background color compulsory available, sir. So you don't need to apply separately. Border radius equals to 50 pixels. What happening, sir? A image edges, it is going to cutting, sir. On a photos, so how we are going to shaping in real life. Like that, that image is also 50 pixels. It is cutting in all the four edges. You see that one. 50 pixels, 50 pixels, 50 pixels. Image size not reduced. Image is going to trimming. Image is trimming, not size reduced. You are clearly visible. See that. You want to get more effectiveness, sir. 150 pixels I am taking. Very clearly visible like this. So rounded corner image, similar to my mobile shapes. Identified? Huh? Next one. One more image I am going to taking here. Another image. Same image also you can repeat it, sir. But another image I am taking, a dancing image. So in radius, one more option is available that I'm going to introducing. Width equals to 400 pixels. Height equals to 300 pixels. But what is the shape of image? Rectangular, square? Square. 400 by 300 and in my hometown rectangle under. The shape of the image is rectangle. Now I'm going to applying the radius once again. Style followed by border radius. How much, sir? This much, that much? No, sir. I need just a 50%. But width, how much available? 400 pixels. In that 50% and horizontal radius 200. Horizontal radius 200. Vertical radius 150. Remember that horizontal radius 200, vertical radius 150. So with that measurement, it is drawing the line. So which shape is comes out? Obviously, oval shape is comes. Rectangle. Half of the radius, half of the width, half of the height. So horizontal radius 200, vertical radius 150. 200 and this one, sir, 150 and this one, sir. Get size, see that one. Maths, well, again. So compulsory, you will get the oval shape. Oval shape is comes reason your shape, original image. By chance, my image is a square, sir. Compulsory circle shape is formed. Circle shape is comes conformly. So take the same picture with the same measurement, 400 and 400. Now shape is square. Horizontal 100, vertical also 100. Exactly circular shape is forming. 50% again. This is circular shape. So compared to oval, circle shape is more popular in our websites. Maybe you observed or not, I don't know that one. Circular is the most popular and mostly used shape. No idea. My social media websites all profile pictures circular shape. Mali daily social media use. Huh? Next one book my show. Book my show. If you select the movie name, a bottom movie cast and crew available. The photos not available. Actors photos, director, producer, all photos available. Which shape? Circular shape available. Well, again, boys. Suppose IPL started from tomorrow onwards. Team's announcement completed. If you select any team, profiles are comes with the players' photos generally circular shape. What you are seeing daily in internet? Huh? Websites using mostly this side, this circular shape, circular shape. Hmm? Reactions from your side. So maximum social media circular shapes are like that. Some cricket websites, so movies related websites also they are using circular shapes. My WhatsApp profile pic is also circular shape. Hmm? And the last option, sir, one last option. We have another special measurement for this one, special style of indication. Once again, style equals to border radius as usual, colon. You can write the two measurements, but all these cases, single measurement I given, only one measurement here. So you can also specify the two measurements. What is that, sir? Suppose 20 pixels, 100 pixels. Where it is applying the 100 and 200, sir? This one. I'll show the shape here. See that. Suppose this is our shape, or image or tag or whatever it may be. In this shape, girls, how many diagonals available? This is my shape. In this one, how many diagonals available? Two. Sound. Could you respond react? Getting up. So two diagonals available. Diagonal one, this is. This diagonal one. Next diagonal two, this one. So at 20 pixels available, the green line. First diagonal measurement. 100 pixels available, blue color line diagonal. Green color line 20 pixels, blue color line 100. Line ante not line, I edges. Total 4 edges available. 2 edges in the left side diagonal, 2 edges in the right side diagonal. So green side diagonals 20 pixels it is applying. Here 20 pixel is applying. Here also 20 pixel is applying. Next blue color line is there na. Here 100 pixel is applying and here is 100 pixel is applying. So the different shapes are forming. One side x-axis, one side y-axis. So test it. A dog shape, see that the different shape is comes. As per our measurement, this is 20 pixel, this is 20 pixel, and this is 100 pixel, and this is 100 pixel. So the different and variety shapes are forming. Same shape can apply for the division tag as our table tag also you can apply, no problem. Any HTML tags we can apply. Images could be more attractive and I shown with images, that's all. Headings, paragraphs, OL tag, UL tag, division tag, on every tag we can apply that one. So these are the some more CSS settings. Next one. Lastly, one small point. Only somebody is asking the doubt. Sir, border you explain separately, border radius you explain separately, sir. Is there any chance to use the both at a time, sir? What is answer? Huh? Sure, huh? If you are interested, both we can apply at a time on the tag, no objections. And next one, shadows, sir. Shadows. Two shadows we have. One is the box shadow. Second one is the text shadow. Box and text shadow. Two shadows are available. So what is this shadow, sir? Nothing else, man. Real life shadows available. This is my hand shadow. The same way, we can also apply the shadows for our HTML elements, tags. Required as a special effects. Using as a real-time website, so they are not using it, I'm not explaining, sir. Time waste unnecessary. Simple. Your recent concept borders, yesterday's concept colors, all we 100% required in our real time. After completion of our 2025 properties, I'll see that these all are the properties. I'll take one original website, which property, where it is used, I'll show lively also that one. So box shadow, applying the shadows for our HTML elements as well as the tags. For any tag is possible, sir. Yes, sir. Only point same. Visibility, available tags, anything we can apply the shadow. Invisible components, so shadow applying is not possible. The tag is visible to you. Yes, sir. You can apply the shadow. Simple. So one more CSS property. Use it to apply shadow for or HTML elements or elements. So how the shadow is applying, sir? Direction, size, color, something, sir. Everything we have to specify same as to borders concept. Without specifying anything, there is no shadow. Go to your last example, sir. We have a lot of tags, but there is no shadow for any tag. No shadows. So for these tags, we want to apply the shadows, so then we can use this one. So how to apply the shadow, sir? Box hyphen shadow followed by your shadow measurements. You have to specify, sir. X-axis measurement, Y-axis measurement. Well, again mathematics, sir. Well, again mass touch and followed by color of the shadow. So X-axis, Y-axis and color of the shadow. By default color of the shadow, obviously black color, sir. If you don't want black color, then you can set any color. And what about this X-axis and Y-axis, sir? Shadow, which side you want to display, that decided by the X-axis and Y-axis. How much distance the shadow you want to display, that also decided by the X and Y-axis. Mathematics, Malli once again. This one, which mathematics, sir? And mana graph sheet is there, kada? Same graph sheet following. 100% link available, sir, not some percent. Plus X plus Y is there, graph sheet. Plus X plus Y, it becomes as one of the quadrant in the four quadrant. Total four quadrants available. Four quadrants, so four sides of shadows. Plus X plus Y, minus X minus Y, minus X plus Y, plus X minus Y. Total four combinations. Whenever you pluses minus changing, your shadow place also change. But X value, Y value, plus symbols, minus symbols, if I change it, quadrant changing or not? Quadrant position changing. Like that, shadow position also changing, obviously. So graph sheet, how we are going to identify? This is X and this is Y. So these are the four sides of the your tag. which side you are expecting the shadow, use the corresponding combinations. Suppose if I need the point here, only x-axis required, y-axis also required. X-axis and y-axis both, because it is diagonally available the shadow, and this is the projection, and this is the projection. Pluses or minuses? X, y plus or minus? Which one minus? Y minus. Which one is plus? X is plus. So minus y plus x. Then you will get the point like this, right? Similarly, CSS also following the same style only. But could the slight differences available? Concept అయితే like this only. But a gap is there, na? A gap is your shadow for your tag. I think mathematics comparison. If you know, if you are BTech candidates, sir, first year drawing completed, I hope. But at drawings, when you are designing, projections we are doing. One shape available, for the shape we are doing the projections. A projections measurement available. So here also we are projecting the shadow for our tag. How much distance you want to project it, sir? That is the x and y axis. The concepts are detailedly in example, we'll see that one. Where the pluses, where the minus, in direct example, I'll show it. Next to same way, text shadow. Text shadow. What is this one, sir? మన tag inside data available కదా, hi, hello, have, hi, hi. I need the shadow for h and I need the shadow for I. Alphabets, data, text, information, whatever it may be. So that letters I need the shadow, sir. You can go for this one. But this one, sir, ఇది బాక్స్ సార్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, క్లారిటీ రిక్వైర్డ్ అయితే షాడో ఫర్ షేప్. షాడో ఫర్ షేప్. ఎవ్రీ ట్యాగ్ వన్ షేప్ అవైలబుల్, రెక్టాంగులర్, స్క్వేర్. ఆ షేప్ షాడో ప్రొజెక్టింగ్ అది. ఇన్సైడ్ కంటెంట్ షాడో నాట్ కమ్స్. బట్ దిస్ వన్ ఏమో ఇన్సైడ్ ద డేటా వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్, ద డేటా షాడో డ్రాపింగ్ అది. So this property used to apply shadow for data or text. Data or text, but not shape. But not for shape. And a shape we are not getting the shadow, sir. Your letters only getting the shadow. Here letters not getting the shadow, shape only getting the shadow. If I need the both, sir, use the two properties at a time. Just use the two properties at a time. You will get the shape as well as the data also. Same syntax. Text shadow followed by specify the measurements. Now we'll implement it. We'll get some more idea. So once again, first I'm taking the paragraph tags. Otherwise, just for change it, division tag. Every time paragraph only, sir, just for change division tag. Both is look like as same only. So this is the original division tag appearance. The original division tag appearance. Now apply the shadow. Style equals to box hyphen shadow colon 3 pixels. X-axis 3 pixels. Y-axis also 3 pixels. Both are pluses. Plus 3 pixels, plus 3 pixels. Color I am not given, sir. So default to black color it will takes. X-axis 3 pixels, Y-axis 3 pixels. Both are pluses. Now where the shadow is comes, sir. As per the CSS, bottom right corner shadow is comes. Bottom right corner. That is this edge shadow comes for your tag. Bottom right corner. ఈ by available కదా here. By this side shadow comes diagonally. Diagonal అంటే ఇక్కడ full line like this your shadow comes. Check it. Black color line. Where is the 3 pixels, sir? This line thickness 3 pixels. This line thickness 3 pixels. A line spreading కదా. So I'll maximize it for your visibility. This is 3 pixels. A point, sir. This is 3 pixels. This is 3 pixels. Diagonally it will comes. Why it will comes like that, sir? As per your measurement only. Nothing in my hand, sir. What are the measurement you given? As per the measurement it will comes. Can I drop the shadow, sir? Take the 13 pixels, shadow dropping. Now this is 13 pixels and this is 3 pixels. I'll again drop the shadow, sir. How much measurement you are taking based on that? 43 pixels, sir. Shadow going to drop more. Refresh. A black color box shadow. You can observe, sir, a full size one black color box is there. What is the size of this box, sir? And almost your tag size. Original tag shadow. Now it is displaying like this. When you are giving a box moving like this, based on measurements, a box is going to adjusting like this. So 2 pluses measurement, sir. 2 pluses measurement. Which tag, sir? Every tag we are writing in body only. Mali which tag? Next one. Again adjust this one, sir. But I want to change the shadow position, sir. You can take the measurements differently. -3 like that. Shadow changing, position changing. If you increment the measurements, shadow expanding, sir. If you change the positives to negatives, shadow position changing. I'll take one H1 tag here. I'll apply the remaining shadows also here. Suppose this is H1 tag. Once again, style equals to box hyphen shadow colon. As usual, 4 pixels, 4 pixels, color blue. My shadow color is blue color. Same place it will comes, so the 1 pixel extra comes. Same place compared to previously 1 pixel extra comes. We already tested this one, sir. Yes, we already tested. I'm changing that one. +4 kada. Now -4 -4. Where the shadow comes, sir. Exactly opposite direction, that side. Top left corner it will comes. Top left corner. The -x -y. Previous one +x +y. Now we have the both negative measurements. See that one. So for your future reference, I'm writing like this. Is one option, sir. Next, the second option. The +4 pixels, +4 pixels. -4 -4. And one more, sir. -4 +4. -4 and +4. Shadow changing. Already total 4 directions. In the 2 directions I already covered. The pending is 2 directions. Can you guess which side is comes? Huh? 4 directions, 2 directions already completed. In the pending is 2 directions only. But now if I refresh the program, shadow comes to in the remaining 2 directions. Which one? Bottom left, top right. Top right ante here it will comes. Bottom left ante below the edit plus. ఇది లెఫ్ట్ బాటమ్ అమ్మ ఆర్ బాటమ్ లెఫ్ట్. దిస్ ఏమో టాప్ రైట్ అమ్మ. which సైడ్? టాప్ రైట్. సే ఇయర్ ప్రాపర్లీ కొద్ది రెస్పాండ్ ఇట్ ఇయర్. అది సింపుల్ పాయింట్సే కదా అవి. కాఫీయా? రాంగ్ ఎస్. Mid section is this is one more combination, sir. And remaining combination automatically remaining concept. So +4 -4. The remaining part it will comes the shadow like this. So 4 corners, so 4 measurements. +4 +4 bottom right. -4 -4 top left. -4 +4 left to bottom. And +4 -4 right top side right side. So these are the 4 sides. Next another 4 sides also available again. Total 8 sides will get the shadow. Diagonals completed, sir. Diagonals completed. Now here also you can print left side of the tag, right side of the tag, top of the tag and bottom of the tag. Diagonals I don't want, sir. Only one side required, sir. As actually shadow, but when you explain this one, it looked like as your previous concept border. But it's a really shadow. How will get the only one side only, sir? When you want to get any one side only, one measurement should be 0. One measurement should be 0. A graph sheet, just an idea purpose, see that. Well, now I want to get the point here. One measurement 0 na nata. Compulsory. One measurement x-axis 0, y-axis something. On this line, I want to get the point. Compulsory second one should be the 0. So the same formula we are following here. Suppose x-axis is 0 pixels, y-axis 4 pixels. X-axis 0, no measurement. Y-axis 4 pixels. Where it will comes the shadow, sir. As per the CSS, at the bottom it will come, sir. Bottom of the tag, as per the CSS. And -4, sir. Top of the tag. Top of the tag. And similarly, x-axis 4, y-axis 0, sir. Left together. Right side of the tag. Tag right side it will comes. Next one, -x 0. Left side of the tag. 4 sides, 4 diagonals. Total 8 combinations. 4 sides and 4 diagonals. So based on our requirement, we can use any of these. So after testing of all these directions, finally I fix it to -4 pixels and -4 pixels. Next one, the same shadow I'm going to applying for my image also, sir. images also. And the normal tags I shown kada. So like that, just I want to show with image also. So take one image. Mana bird image is available, previously used. So for this, I'm going to applying the shadow. Box once again, box shadow, colon, or 2 pixels, 2 pixels. Color, sir. Color, I'm taking some green color. My shadow color is green. No special, sir. Get a paragraph, what implemented, the same thing. But for shadow or image, and applied as sir. Observe the board. A green color line is there. See that shadow applied. But here I want to show some other special setting. 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 10 pixel. Third measurement also introduced. On a graph sheet point of view, it is called as the z-axis. XY along with the Z also value. XY ante 2D sir, 2-dimensional. Z-axis ante 3-dimensional. Now we'll get the 3-dimensional shadow. Plus shadow comes to 360 degrees of your tag also. Around your tag, the shadow is comes. All corners. Board 4 sides, 4 corners shadow available sir, 360 degrees. Maybe a screen folding, so not visible emo properly, but shadow అయితే applied. Take the dark color red. Visible shadow, 4 sides available, see that. And 3D impact also available. Really, yes, sir. Edge observed, your image to your web page gap available. Observe that one. Check the previous program. Is there any gap? Your image to web page? No gap. But it comes to this one, get a gap available. What is that, sir? Z-axis 10 pixels. A gap. So tag your image in left side shadows available, right side, sides available, 2 pixels, 2 pixels. What is the depth of the shadows, sir? And the depth of the shadow 10 pixels. Can I increase that amount, sir? When you are increasing the amount, shadow more spreading. It's spreading to more areas, sir. See that one. Area spreading, see that one. You can write any much, that is your choice. Mari, this is too much. 3D shadow. Better looking అయితే 10, 1, 1, sir. The decent look is comes. All 4 sides shadow available, not heavily, lightly available. Same thing can apply for heading, sir. Why not? Any tag we can apply it. Here already one model covered, but here another model I tried, and that's all. Next one, text shadow, sir. The next one is text shadow. So take some H2 tag. I'm writing my name H2. How many alphabets available or how many letters available? For every letter, I need one shadow. And S shadow, I shadow, V shadow, A shadow. For every letter, shadow dropping. So for that, we are going to using the text shadow. Directions, explanations, same as to divs and tags. What are the things I explained here? Same you can follow here also. So text shadow followed by 3 pixels, 3 pixels, some orange color I'm taking here. Orange color. How many letters available in your tag? That every letter will get the shadow here like this. Black color original name, orange color shadow letters. Letters not visible clearly. I'll go for the pink color. This is. అది your interest అమ్మా. See that 13. Black color original, a pink color shadow letters. Measurement how much you can decide it. I'm taking 1 pixel. It's like as a stroke. Shadow ne, but మనకి stroke letters అంటారు కదా, double lines letters. So that type of look is comes here. So once again conclusion, who are interested, those you can use the both shadows at a time also. I think that is every time no need to explain, sir. You have to follow yourself only. So box shadow, text shadow, both I want to apply on the same tag, sir. 100%, sir, your choice. And the next one is some more settings of the CSS. Font settings, also called as text settings. Font settings, also called as text settings. What is this font settings, sir? In our Windows or in our computers, this one you know very well, I think. No, not HTML, basic computers. What is this one, sir? Font size, text size. Even text models, your lettering style is going to change. And these are most styles. But now same thing we want to use in our HTML. Reasons are, every tag they have their own size, letters, but a size not sufficient for me, sir. I want to increase the size of the text. I want to decrease the size of the text. I want to change the lettering style, sir. You use these options. ఇది మన regular softwares available, sir. This one. The first one is called as font family. This is called as font family. The last one is called as font size. In middle bold italic available kada. This is called as font weight and font style. The font size. Total 4 properties. If you want to change this one, you have to use the font family. You want to increase or decrease the size of the letters, you have to use the font size property. And you want to apply the bold or italic or something, you have to use the font weight as well as the font style. Total 4 properties. Changing the appearance of the text, changing the printing pattern of the text. All compulsory required, sir. That depends upon your thinking. Depends upon your thinking only, not in my hands. I don't want anything, sir. That's all, leave it. No, sir, I want to increase the sizes of the letters, sir. Use it. How can put the shadow for 4 sides, sir? Explaining కదా, sir. Sir, ఇక్కడ what I explained, Mr. Saroj. What is this explanation? The 4 sides kada explained. 2.5 sides, sir. 3/4. Sarji, I explained here, this is 4 sides only. I think output also you have the shadow 4 sides neatly here. But again, how you got the doubt, I don't know. The first one is the font size, sir. The first property, font size. So this property use it to change the size of text. Size of text or size of data. Change means, sir, we can increase, we can decrease. Both, sir. We can increase the size as well as we can decrease the size. Sir, H1 tag available, sir, already big size. Can I increase that size, sir? Why not? Any HTML tag size we can increase it. Not only H1, not only paragraph. Every tag, they have the default size compulsory. Daily you are observing also. A default size not sufficient for me, sir. Default size not useful for me, sir. Apply this property, change the size as per your interest. Basic syntax comes like this: font hyphen size colon. Write your pixels. How much size you are expecting? Write the pixels here. Basic thing. Next one, font weight. Next one is font weight. What is this one, sir? Applying the boldness and disabling the boldness. Sir, 3D అంటే 3 dimensional shadow, not 3 directions. 3D shadows అంటే shadow comes to 3D effect, not 3 sides. మనకి 3D మూవీస్ అవైలబుల్ కదమ్మా, 3D గేమ్స్. ఇప్పుడు 3D గేమ్స్ 3 sides displaying, fourth side not displaying. You are generally playing the games in mobiles కదా, 3D games, 3D movies. Hero 3 sides displaying, fourth side not displaying. Huh? So this is the purpose, sir. Font weight. Purposes are to enable or disable the bold format. If you want to apply the boldness, if you want to disable the boldness, and you have to use the font weight. Applying of the bold format to removing of the bold format to both switch on or switch off. Switch on or switch off. Maybe somebody you are thinking, sir, already bold tag is available, already strong tag available. Why this one, sir? With your HTML knowledge, by using the BR strong tag, can you remove the boldness from the tag? Impossible. You can apply the boldness, sir. Yes. Tag applying, but tag never going to removing the existing settings, sir. 26 programs, 40 plus tags. I explain everywhere. It is displaying like this, it is displaying like this, it is displaying like this. I never explained it is removing, it is removing. So tags switch on only, switch off not available. But I need the on and off both features, sir. CSS compulsory. Without CSS, we can't switch off any property of the tags. That is enable and disable means. We can apply, we can delete it. So font weight colon bold. It is applying the bold. R normal. It is disabling the bold. First time I'm using this type of typing, sir. Could you observe? Get a slash I use it together. Actually, my point of view, slash means R. OR. And actually, that are this any one only you have to type it. You can write like this also. But my shortcut is this one. So don't use the slash in programming. That is just for R option concept. Font weight equals to bold. Boldness activated. Font weight equals to normal. Existing boldness removed. Bold removed, sir. Plain text is going to display. Same font to style. The same way, font style. This property used same concept. Enable or disable italic format. Enable or disable the italic format. Same question again. Sir, we have em tag, we have I tag, sir. We can apply the italic, sir. Yes, we can apply italic, but we can't delete the italic style. So deletion, this one is going to supporting us. So font hyphen style italic. or normal. Italic or normal. So if you write this one, sir, italic applied. If you write this combination, sir, existing italic removed. So this is also once again switch on and switch off. Next one is the font family. What is this, sir? And models available with the variety lettering styles are changing concepts, sir. So this property used to change lettering style, lettering styles. A lettering style changing we are using. You know very well Arial, Times New Roman, Tahoma. What is all these are under different models, font models. Which model you want to use in the program that you can specify here. But a size not increasing, sir, nothing. Way of writing is going to changing. Font family, colon, font model 1, comma, font model 2, comma. You can write multiple font models, sir. Generally 3, 4 we are writing mostly. Not one, no. Mostly in real-time applications, 3 to 4 models we are specifying. Reasons are, I'll show in the program directly that family and a group of members on you, sir. Generally, families means not a single person. So we have to write list of font models. Browser finally applying only one style. Which one are detailedly discussed in the program. These are the theory part. Programming we'll see on tomorrow's session. Thank you all. No, sir, Ravindra, it look like a same, but both not same. Milk, buttermilk, both look like a same white color. Both are not same. Like that, shadow also, border also look like a same, but both are not same. You know, na Balakrishna dialogue, both are not same. That's our eye feeling, that's all. If you want to get the single line border, you can apply the CSS. Double line border, it's a default style of the table, sir. So remove the double line borders and apply your own border. X-axis to Y-axis, I said there's so many points, Amma. In that, which point you required? Lot of points I said about that one. Which one you required? So this is your tag, and this is the minus and plus. This is the plus and plus. This is the minus and minus. And this is the plus and minus in CSS. So as per your given measurement, it deciding the direction. అది ఇట్స్ లుక్ లైక్ as నార్మల్ బోర్డర్ అంటే అది జస్ట్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్ యువర్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అది. I already said కదా just now, when you see the milk and buttermilk, both are look like as white only. Obviously, you are misunderstanding కదా without tasting. Same, అది your feeling. Sir Ravindra, image inside text, how it is available, sir? కొద్దిగా థింక్ విత్ కామన్ సెన్స్. ఇమేజ్ అంటే గ్రాఫిక్ కదా. ఇమేజ్ ఇన్సైడ్ టెక్స్ట్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్. కెన్ యూ షో ఇట్? Image inside, show the text. That only, sir, I am also saying. Image inside text, how it is possible? The text is not possible. If it's text shadow, how it will comes? Do one thing. Contact one photographer. Photographer. Ask that one. Photos inside text available ani. Huh? A image is a photo. Inside that, how the text is comes? Image tag syntax, remember? Huh? This is IMG. Image tag close. Where is the text? Here, where is the text? Image sizes available. Image width to image height to something available. There is no text kada. Then how can print the shadow for text?